Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your current location on Google Maps. And now, let's get started. To find your current location on Google Maps, first open your web browser and navigate to maps.google.com. Once the page has loaded, you will need to find your approximate location on the map. To pinpoint your exact spot, right-click on that location on the map. A small menu will appear. In this menu, you will be able to see the latitude and longitude coordinates. These coordinates represent your exact location. Alternatively, if you are looking for more detailed information about a specific place, right-clicking will also display a box with all the relevant details for that area. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.